Want to temporarily suspend your T-Mobile home internet service and avoid monthly charges? Good news. T-Mobile offers a pause service feature. It lets you halt your internet access for up to 6 months. This is perfect for when you're traveling, facing financial constraints, or relocating temporarily. Ensure your account is active and in good standing. The pause can only be initiated after the initial 30-day trial period. Note that this excludes certain promotional plans or areas undergoing network upgrades. During pause, your gateway device enters low power mode. During pause, monthly billing is suspended. No charges accrue. Pausing is simple. Log into your My T-Mobile account via the app or website. Go to Services, then Home Internet, and select Manage Service. Choose Pause Service, pick a start date, and confirm. Alternatively, call 1-800-937-8997. Billing is fully suspended during the pause. Wi-Fi and data usage will cease immediately. Reactivation is easy too. Use the link in your confirmation email. Expect service restoration within 24 to 48 hours. Remember that emergency services will be inaccessible via the gateway during the pause. Secure your equipment to prevent theft or damage while the service is suspended.